be here today, same deal. And then we just, it'll be in the same spot, and we'll pick it up, and you'll back up, and go that way and set it over the same. Okay, does that sound all right? Give it a shot.
That's kind of what I thought. What could go wrong?
Yeah. It's either going to work or it ain't, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Skid steer over here, a small little forklift on one side. We've got a forklift that can go sideways on the other side. It's going to be just like magic. We'll pick this up and slide it right over onto the post. Behind me, we've got one of our pods set up already this morning, and then as I'm walking around here, you'll see we got the second one in the road now. He's going to bring his little device, this thing called a mule. It's very noisy, that's why we're filming right now. Back right into the same spot. We're going to do it all over again this afternoon. Stay tuned for more.